Hey everyone, looking for some great discounts on Webflow? Well, today I have got the best deals for you, including 20% off promo codes. Let's dive in. First of all, check for promo codes that can save you big on Webflow plans. You might find codes like Save20 that give you 20% off when you sign up. Always keep an eye out for these codes when you are checking out. Another great way to save is by switching a annual billing. By paying for the year upfront, you will get a discount on your subscription. An easy way to cut costs. Don't forget about Webflow's referral program. If you refer a friend, you might get some extra discounts or credit to use on your next purchase. That's it. Thanks for watching.